If you were meeting your foreign boyfriend for the first time, what would you expect? What if he confessed he's still married in his country but in the process of divorce? Would you end the relationship because he hid it from you? What if your overseas boyfriend flew here just for you but there is no spark? Now what?
Excuse me, be. Sir, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami, YouTube. Kahit ano lang, kapag kayo ni 4 questions lang, 2 minutes, okay lang. About dating man lang, relationships, okay lang.
May we know what's your name and age?
I'm Bianca and I'm 20 po.
Bianca, you are so pretty.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. She looks like a model, guys. She's very tall.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Bianca, here's the first question. If you were meeting your foreign boyfriend for the first time, what would you expect?
What for me, I'm little shy po because I have no experience in foreigner. And
You're gonna be shy meeting him for the very first time. How about what's your expectations to him? Because you're meeting him for the very first time. So what are you expecting from him?
sometimes even Filipina women po are love foreigners, but sometimes young student like me don't have experience in foreigners.
Okay,
Like
so you have no idea what to expect.
I have no idea.
Okay. Now, what if he confessed he's still married in his country, but in the process of divorce, would you end the relationship because he hid it from you?
Yes, I would end up because being a woman po, it is hard for us to our boyfriend or sometimes our husband have another wife because it hurts to us.
Hurts. Okay. Do you expect financial support from your foreign partner?
Definitely yes, but sometimes foreigner are not just in having money, like financial providing us some money like, but for me I need to work hard for myself to earn money. I don't need money to my boyfriend or
Okay. But if he wants to, definitely yes, right? You're gonna expect him to support you financially.
yes, I am expecting but not too harsh to
Demand.
demand. Yes.
How about, okay, if he is a Filipino, would you still expect the same thing?
In Filipino men,
Yeah.
yeah, yes, I would expect that because Filipino men are so hardworking. We sometimes Filipino men are like huh? being mapagbigay ba? Being mapagbigay.
They're giving.
Yeah, they're giving like it pa- it yun? Like kinukusa nila magbigay.
They give it like without, you asking.
Without hesitation, they give us money, gifts, and everything. Yes.
So whether he is a foreigner or Filipino, you're expecting financial support.
But I am expecting, but not every day. Like I need money, I need gift. Like,
What if your overseas boyfriend flew here just for you, but there's no spark? What now?
I feel like maybe disappointment for myself because and for him also because he just flew for me because he just waste money for me just to see me. Like I have no feelings for him, but he flew away just to see me.
Let's see, like no chemistry, no spark. Will there be a second date? Like, are you gonna give him a chance, or the relationship? Are you gonna give it a chance?
For me, even if no sparks, yeah, I would give him a chance. Just to know me well. And yeah.
Okay. What course are you taking, Be?
I am taking business management.
Business management. She's very tall, very beautiful. What is your height?
I'm 5'7" po.
5'7". Look how I'm so small next to her. But you're so pretty, very beautiful. Ay, be, excuse me, be. Be, pwede ka mong ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Kahit 2 minuto lang. 4 questions lang. Okay lang? About dating man lang. Okay lang? Oo. Okay lang? Okay lang naman kita. Mana, be? Para magandang view ta, be. May we know what your names and ages?
Hi, I'm Angel, 20 years old.
I'm Michaela, 19 years old.
Friends?
Yes.
You two are so beautiful.
So much.
You're welcome. Okay, so here's the question. If you were meeting your foreign boyfriend for the first time, what would you expect?
For me, if oh my God.
Remember, you're meeting for the very first time and he is your foreign boyfriend. So what are your expectations?
If if I will meet my foreign boyfriend, I think I expect him kind and and tall. Tall.
Okay, taller than you and kind. Okay, how tall are you?
There is tall. And mga
How tall are you, Be?
5'2".
5'2". How about you, Be? What are your expectations?
If my expectation for my foreign boyfriend is he's respectful and handsome.
Handsome in real, right? In person.
Yeah.
What if he confessed he's still married in his country but in the process of divorce? Would you end the relationship because he hid it from you?
For me, yes. I end the relationship.
How about you, Be?
Yes, I will end it because if he loves me, he should tell me first. And that kind of love may never find me.
So no more second chances?
More. No.
No more.
Okay, that's wow. No more second chances. Okay. Guys, you have to be very honest, right?
Yeah.
Because honesty can be the power of relationship to be strong.
Okay. Do you expect financial support from your foreign partner? Financial support, do you expect it from him?
Not totally.
No. Because if I am financially stable, I would afford my expenses.
Yeah.
And if I have a boyfriend, I would not tolerate him to buy me some stuffs of mine because 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 if we start the relationship, we should not focus on the money, but our love.
But what if you're married already? Would you expect him to support you financially?
Of course. because he's married to me.
He's
And
married.
he should provide.
What if your overseas boyfriend flew here just for you, but there is no spark? What now?
I would ask him if he really want me, and if his love is not genuine, I would ignore him.
Will there be a second date? Remember, you met and then there's no spark, like there's no chemistry. Would you give it a second chance? Will there be a second chance?
Maybe.
Second date.
Maybe. Because getting to know each other, maybe. In person.
Sorry, what?
Will there be a second date?
Second date. I will give him a chance. Yeah, maybe.
Okay. You two are single or do you have boyfriends?
I'm single.
Single.
How long have you been single, Angel?
3 years?
3 years. Okay, and you, Be?
2 years.
2 years. You're in college. What are you studying?
HM,
HM.
hospitality management.
The same with her.
Yeah.
Ay, sorry. Be, excuse me, be, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Kahit 2 minuto lang.
May we know what's your name and age?
Bernardet po, 19 years old.
You're so cute, Bernadette. She's very cute. You have this baby face. How are you tonight?
I'm fine po.
Okay. So, Bernadette, here's the first question. If you were meeting your foreign boyfriend for the first time, what would you expect?
What would I expect? I guess po talaga.
What are your expectation? You're gonna meet him for the very first time.
So my expectation po first, maybe is like if he's kind and yung ano ba tawag doon sa hindi po bastos, yung
Okay, not pervert like that.
like I don't also like when is the dirty talks yung mga ganun po. So
You don't like that.
yes.
Okay. So, you're expecting him to be kind.
Yes.
Okay. What if he confessed he is still married in his country but in the process of divorce? Would you end the relationship because he hid it from you?
Well, for me po, it depends on the situation naman po. If, like, in the process naman na po, diba? So, ang tawag doon, legal naman po na, and the other countries po, is here in the Philippines. Pero in my perspective po, if I really loved him, then maybe, yes.
Okay. You're not gonna end the relationship if you, if you really love him. Okay. And she also said that divorce is legal in other countries, so it's fine for her. It doesn't matter if he hid it from her in the beginning.
Yes.
Okay. Do you expect financial support from your foreign partner?
No po. Because as a woman din naman po, we don't need to be dependent po on our man, especially po for foreign people po. Kasi for my opinion lang po, okay. Some people po kasi if we have this foreign partner po, they expect us to really dependent on that when it comes to financial po.
But you're different. You're not like that.
Yes po, for me.
Okay. Now, what if your overseas boyfriend flew here just for you, but there is no spark? Now what?
If there's no spark. For me po, kaya if when it comes to sparks po, like for me, it's really matters po. When it comes to relationship po, kasi it's really important when you really loved him or there are butterflies between you guys. Kasi po, like, it is something that to continue po sa relationship. What I mean po is di naman po, not that that butterfly is really important, but I mean, if when it comes to relationship po kasi there di naman po siya laging like love lang po, there always po and there always po din naman ay problems din po na
Okay, I'm confused now. You're saying that in a relationship, it's not always about love
sparks po.
or sparks. Okay, so does it mean you're gonna give him a second chance or the relationship?
Yes po, like we have naman, like in Filipino we have these terms panliligaw din naman din.
Courtship.
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna give him a second chance, give the relationship a second shot, and let him court you.
Yes.
Okay. Are you single, Ben?
Yes po.
How long have you been single?
Kailan?
How long? Oh, she's looking at her friend. How long have you been single?
3 or 4 years po ata.
3 or 4 years. And you're 19 years old. What course are you taking?
HM.
HM. Okay. We interviewed two ladies earlier. They're also taking the same course. You're just very cute. And you seem like a nice lady. You're welcome. Well, anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. Thanks for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.